XTLtouch is an enhanced all-in-one security system offering flexible features and functionality. With Dealer Admin, systems can be pre-programmed before ever powering up the panel. This allows a system to be fully programmed prior to being installed on-site. To pre-program a system, log into Dealer Admin. Create or select a customer and click Add next to Systems. Click the checkbox next to Pre-Program System. Now, anything you program for this system will be securely stored in Dealer Admin until the panel is connected to the network. Enter in a system name. Select a system type and firmware version. Select a communication type. Enter in the SIM number for the cellular communicator and the account number. Next, enter the panel serial number. Here you can select and customize virtual keypad services. Finally, click Save when you're done to save this system. Now this system can be fully programmed with Dealer Admin. Select Full Programming to program zones, devices, and communication options. After making any changes, select Save to Dealer Admin to securely store all changes. Once the system has been fully programmed, it is ready to be installed on-site. After powering up the XTLtouch and connecting it to Wi-Fi or cellular communication, ensure the account number and app key have been configured in programming. Once that's done, you can send the programming to the panel in Dealer Admin. In the full programming window, select Send to System to push the saved programming. Select Yes to begin the initial connection to the panel. Select Close to automatically push the saved programming. After Dealer Admin has finished programming the system, it will be ready to be tested. For more information on the XTLtouch or to watch more videos like this, visit dmp.com.